We just got finished entering in our basic information, our filing status, our personal information, and our dependent information. And now we're on to the federal section. If you look up at the top here, we've got our basically what makes up the federal tax return: our income, our deductions, other taxes, payments, estimates, and miscellaneous. Okay? So we're currently in the federal section. After the federal section, we'll go to health insurance. But what specifically we want to talk about is our income at this point. So, what are we going to do? Again, we are presented with the opportunity to either use the guide me function or the enter myself. I jokingly call this help me and I know what I'm doing, okay? Or leave me alone. Over here we also have the enter my form number. So locating forms, you can do it multitude of ways. You can again have this lead you through it, grab your hand and take you on a walk. This will let you pretty much do it yourself. What do you want? You want the basically line 7 through line 21 of the 1040. Or do you want to just come over here and type in W2 and go to W2 now? The W2 looks very, very close to the W2 you should be holding in your hand for your cut from your customer. You type in the EIN, it pulls it up. You type in the income, you type in your federal taxes withheld if you had any. I'm going to say it was 1,500 bucks. And we're planning for our retirement, so we threw some in elected deferrals, qualified deferrals, and that's all we got here. So we're going to click continue, and we're out of it. So if we had any other income, we can come up here to enter form number, and we can type in our form number, or we can click back on federal section, enter myself, and we can look for other income. Um, you have your 1099 interest, your Schedule C's right here, which we'll go through as its own form. Schedule E, Schedule D will do the same thing. And then you have down here other income. Other income includes income not reported elsewhere. It's kind of like a catch-all. Your K1 if you were a business owner and you received one. Um, and then you've got your other compensation. Other compensation actually drills down a little bit more than just other compensation. You click begin, and it presents you with a couple of other options. Household employee, commonly used. It is a very scrutinized item, and makes it's a very special circumstance of people that actually qualify to use that line item. So, wanted to show you where it is, but again, caution you as far as its use. So that's how we enter in our income. We'll go through the specific income items. We showed you W2. We'll jump into a Schedule C immediately following this. Thank you very much.